Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Facebook Messenger to ClickFunnels. All right. So first up, in the left panel, we do have these apps. So all we have to do is just click on Add Apps, click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go to scroll down and find Marketing and Communication section. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and find Message Hub right here, click on it. Now, once you're in here, you can now go ahead and click on Add Your Domain to add your domain first. Set your marketing address and then set your email address. Once done, go ahead and go to the Message Hub and then follow these instructions. All right. Don't worry, I'll leave this one in the description. But for this video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect it using a third-party automation platform like Zapier. All right, to make your life easier. So first up, I'm going to go ahead over to Zapier.com like so and hit on enter. And then what we'll do is just create an account. It's pretty easy. Now, once that's done, go to the top left and click on create, hit on Zaps, wait for it to load. And once it loads, make sure that you select the trigger. It could be Messenger or the other way around, which is ClickFunnels. All right. I'm just going to be using Messenger. Type down Messenger like so and select Facebook Messenger. All right. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, choose a trigger event right here. For example, there are a new message sent to a page or your page, like so. Now, once done, click on sign in and sign in with your Facebook account. And here, just go ahead and select your page. For example, this one, hit on continue, save, and just wait for it. Hit on got it, wait for it to sign you in. Once done, go ahead and hit on continue. Select the page once more, hit on continue, and test the trigger. Once done, close this one. Then go ahead over to action and select ClickFunnels. All right, either classic or 2.0. I'm just going to be using this one and sign in with your account. All right, just like what you did on Facebook Messenger. Now, whenever there's a new message sent to a page from your Facebook Messenger, you can now go ahead and select either apply tag to contact, create opportunity, enroll a contact into a course, remove tag, and some other options. All right. For example, I'm just going to be using create an opportunity like so. Then hit on continue, then configure it, select the pipeline, select the stage, maybe hot leads, then email address. Just type down your email address for testing, opportunity name, new message, maybe from FB Messenger like so. Once done, tap away, hit on continue, and test. All right. All you have to do next is just hit on publish right here at the bottom right or at the top right. Okay. Now, when you hit on publish, it will go online. All right. It will activate the workflow. You can just easily close this one and forget about making this connection. But the workflow right here will just automatically implement whenever a trigger event happens right here or whenever there are new messages sent to your page. All right. When that trigger event happens, Zapier right here will automatically create an opportunity to ClickFunnels. That's basically how it works, okay? And that's how you add a Facebook Messenger to ClickFunnels. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.